In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Autodesk cannot find script file Service.Vbs error in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, let's open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or simply pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. Once you have File Explorer open, navigate to the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Click on the View tab. This is where we are going to access some crucial settings. Now, locate the Options button on the far right side of the View tab and click it. This will prompt a new window to open. That's exactly what we want. In this new window, click on the View tab again. What we're aiming to do here is to make sure that hidden files are visible, which is essential for the next steps. Look for hidden files and folders and ensure that the option Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives is selected. With hidden files now visible, your next step is to open your C drive. You can find this in the left-hand pane of File Explorer under this PC. Once you're in the C drive, navigate to Program Files, x86. After that, locate Common Files and open it. In the Common Files directory, we need to do a bit of setup, create a new folder, and name it Autodesk Shared. Once created, go ahead and open that folder. Within the Autodesk Shared folder, create yet another new folder and name it Network License Manager. Next up, open Notepad. You can do this by searching Notepad in the Start menu search bar. Once Notepad is open, type in wscript.quit without the quotes. This line of text is imperative for the script we're setting up. Click on File in the top left corner of Notepad, then select Save As. Name the file Service.Vbs and initially save it to your desktop for easy access. After saving the file to your desktop, go back to where we were in File Explorer in the Network License Manager folder you just created. Find the Service.Vbs file on your desktop, cut it, and then paste it into the Network License Manager folder within Autodesk Shared. Finally, once everything is set up and the file is in place, close all open windows and restart your computer. This restart helps to register all the changes you've made and hopefully resolves any issues with the script file error you were encountering. And there you have it. Following these clear steps should help you fix the Autodesk script file error. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tips.